Hi everyone, this is Abrar. Welcome to Abrar Nale channel. Today I picked up a Urdu version, Urdu book. Book name is Zindagi Se Lutf Uthaiye. So the same book you will also find in English version as well. In English version, the book name is Enjoy Your Life. So in this one, I'm going to quote from page number 388, and the chapter is लोगों की बातों की परवाह न कीजिए. Do not care about what people say. So this is the very nice content, and along with the story, a powerful story I'm going to quote today. Please stay tuned till the end. You will get the amazing content as such. So I'm going to read it in Urdu version. It says that एतराज़ और मजम्मत करने के एतबार से लोगों की मुख्तलिफ मिजाज हैं. People have a different attributes, different characteristic when it comes to dealing with the people, or advising with the people, or pursuing the people. So it gives a four types of people. Number one, कुछ लोग वाकई खैर खा होते हैं, सदक़े दिल से खैर खा करना चाहते हैं. Some people are really caretaker. They wanted to really give you a best advice what they can. लेकिन नसीहत के फन से ना वाकिफ होते हैं. But the problem is they don't know the art of pursuing people. नतीजन इनका अंदाज आपको अफसरदा कर देता है. When they give you advice, sometimes it make you saddened. That is type number one. Type number two, बास हासिद होते हैं जिनका मकसद आपको दुख पहुंचाना होता है. Some people wanted to sadden you, and their core intent is to make you feel unhappy. The third characteristic, बास नासहीन यूं ही जाहिल होते हैं, बगैर सोचे समझे जो मुंह में आए कहते रहते हैं. ऐसे लोग खामोश ही रहे तो बेहतर होता है. Some people, they just utter what it comes to their mind. They don't think anything about it. They don't give a second thoughts and all that. Such people, it is better that they remain silent. This is type 3. The last type is, बास लोगों की तबीयत का हिस्सा होती है जो जिंदगी को हमेशा सियाह इंक से देखते हैं. Some people, they are really toxic. They wanted to see from the black goggles, meaning like they wanted to see everything, everybody unhappy. They wanted to sadden everyone. They wanted to hurt anyone. That's the last character. So people have a different choices. People have different opinions. People have different characteristic attributes and so on. So it is in this book, the second para, what it says is, some people are really helpful in nature. They try to make you the best advice, make you happy and all that. In such cases, you can take the advice and you can take their opinions, suggestions, recommendation and so on. But some people who are always toxic, the people who talks always negatively, you need to remain away from them. You don't need to take necessarily all the inputs coming from them. So it gives a wonderful story, the story of Huja. And once the Juha, this is the English characteristic, Juha, the name of the Juha, once in a village, there was a person called Juha. Juha and his father were walking on the street. While walking on the street, they had a donkey, and what happened? The sun set on the donkey. They were walking along the street. And then the stranger, the other group of people, the stranger, they started telling that what kind of father is this? So he himself is walking. He is not making use of the young son. Maybe young son can walk and he can be seated on the donkey. So he heard this one and he pleaded the son, "Oh my son, please get down. Please descend from this donkey." So then they exchange the role. So now the father sat on the donkey and the son was walking on the street. So again, the other group of people, the strangers, they started talking again. What kind of father is this? He is really merciless. So he is the son, young son is walking on the scorching sun, and he is comfortably walking on the street. So he is not giving the best comfort to his son. So he heard this one, he felt very pity, and they got down. And now they applied the third option they had was both sat on the donkey, father and son, and they were walking on the street. Again, people heard this one. What kind of what kind of people both are, and both are giving cruelty to animal. So they both are carrying the big weightage. Big weight to the animal. How this is incorrect. So they both heard this one and they felt, okay, why we should give so much weight to the donkey. So both got down. The only one option left is the both carried the donkey and walk along. So in this one, this is a powerful story. In this one, what it depicts is people say different things. We need to see the practical aspect of it, and we need to take this gracefully. So that's a message I wanted to share. Please do like, share, subscribe my channel. You have a nice day ahead.